welcome to my channel, or welcome back. So today's video is just going to be a quick tutorial. I wanted to make some of those glass fishing floats because I'm putting together a summer tablescape and I wanted to include those in it. So I picked up these Christmas ornaments. The last time I went to the thrift store, I picked up 2 boxes. They were a couple of dollars each. And I picked up some Krylon sea glass spray paint. I picked it up in seafoam. And I also picked up an aqua because this is the first time I've ever used this. So I wasn't really sure on how the colors were going to turn out. So I just thought I'd try both of them. So we'll just test them out. And then I already had some jute rope on hand. So I just picked a couple of different sizes to see what would work the best. Here's how they look. They kind of have like an iridescent look to them. So we're just going to remove the tops of the ornaments that you hang the ornament from. We're just going to take that off because we're just going to be using the base of the ornament. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to get notified so you can see how I actually use these in my tablescape. So I was trying to come up with a clever idea of how to paint these without them rolling all over the place. And this is what I came up with. I just took some little wooden sticks and stuck them in the ground and put the balls on the top, and it worked out perfectly. It also colored my grass, as you can see. That's okay. So I spray painted the aqua first, and then I did some with the seafoam. So here's how the sea glass in the aqua looks. I think it looks so pretty. And then here's how the sea glass in the seafoam looks, which I also love. So I decided to incorporate both of the colors into my tablescape. Okay, I thought it would look so pretty with this white cording on the blue ball, but it was a little thick, so I just separated the cords and they turned out like this. Okay, so first I just crumpled up some tissue paper to kind of hold my ornament in place. And then you're going to take one of your strings and tie a loop around the top. And then you're going to take your strands and you're going to double them and then take the looped end and stick it through your circle that you made. And just pull it through and then tighten it up. And we're just going to do this with all 5 strands. Then you can just slide them around and make sure they're, pretty evenly spaced out. And then I just tightened my initial circle that I made and then cut off the strings. So it looks like this. Okay, so hopefully you can just see how I'm doing it here, because you'll take a string from each side and then knot those together. So then we'll just keep going with that pattern by taking the next string and the next string or next cording, and then you'll knot those together and you'll just keep going around the ball. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just try to keep your knots about the same all the way around. And it makes a star on the top of your ornament. And then you'll just continue that same pattern by taking one of the cords and grabbing the next cord and knotting them together, and then just keep going around the ball all the way to the bottom. And I love how easy this is, but it looks so intricate. The only difficult part is keeping your ornaments stable while you're doing it. And I'm sure there's a better way than this, but I was trying to get this done really quickly, and this is all I had in front of me, so I just grabbed the tissue paper, and it did help. I'll have to come up with a better solution for the rest of these. And then I just kind of gave it a twist. I separated the cords and then tied a knot in the string. And then I took an extra piece and tied it around to give it this look here. And that's how it turned out. And then I did one with the jute string. I really like that one too. So let me know down in the comments, which one do you like better? I think I'm gonna switch it up and do the white cording and the jute string, because I think both of those will look really good mixed into the centerpiece that I'm doing. Okay, so here's how they turned out. Don't forget to that subscribe button and the bell to get notified. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next one.